Welcome to this video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to use a specific application that you can find in Google Play Store called Canva. That is actually this one over here, so that you create good quality, high quality pictures for Instagram, and you can actually post them there and create good content. So in this row, actually, as you can see, this is the first page of Canva, and in this row with the shoes, etc., says here on the top, post for Instagram, and at the row below says story for Instagram. So actually Canva has inside its own application things about Instagram. And if you go here that says, I know this is Greek, but I will explain it somehow. If you go here that says all or see all, you can find pictures or templates that are free and some others that are not free, like this, for example, that says struggle leads to success, that has the number 1 and the 3 coins. So I think this is €1 or $1 or something like that. So let's just go to this one, and you can actually tap something here and start editing. Like you can do whatever. You can go like this. Oops. You can just leave it at happy. Okay, good. And you just edit the picture, and then you go up here on the top, and the edited picture gets saved. Good. So then you can actually use it for Instagram. Alright, and here are the templates. If you go here in the middle one, you can actually see what templates you have used before or you have created before. And what else? Oh, if we go here again, let's just give you one other example. You can go, as you can see here on the top, has some specific categories here, and the first one says love. So we can just go here. I love you with every pizza my heart. Very romantic. So good. So let's just go in this one. Anyway, it is the same concept. You can just create your own pictures. You can move these things around. You can create your own quotes, and then